Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan and I will show you what to do if your rear turn signal lights are not working. These vehicles are equipped with LED turn signal lights. Those are these small lights that go around here and here as well, and those small lights are not replaceable. Only way to basically fix it is to replace the whole taillight assembly. But of course there is a couple of things you should check before you decide to put in such a big investment. These LED lights usually don't burn out, and most likely there is a problem with your connection or wires or something like that. So I will show you what to check and what to do in case these are not working, because this will most likely fix it. And I will also show you while I'm doing that how to replace the reverse light bulb. So to start, lift up the tailgate, and we have two 10mm screws. One is here on the top, other one is here at the bottom, so you can remove those, and then we'll be able to pull out the taillight. Okay, once you have removed both screws, the taillight will become loose. Now be careful not to pull it here to the side, but pull it towards yourself. I will show you why. There are two pins here on the side which might break if you pull it on the side. So those two pins are in these holes right here and down here. Okay, so once you have the taillight out, first you will want to disconnect switch here. I'm trying to do it with one hand, but okay, I did it. And then you will want to disconnect this one as well. Just press onto the clip here and it's gonna release. Then you'll want to disconnect this small LED connector down there. Okay, now you have all of these pieces out. Once you remove all the connectors, you'll see there is no light bulb there, just the LED lights, and those are not replaceable. Okay, so next what you will do, you will clean all these connectors with electric contact cleaner. You have it at any car part store. It's like $5-6 a can. Clean it out real good. This one as well, and this one that's here still. Clean all of those. Check all the wires here, and that will most likely fix your problem. That just spray it inside. Clean it out real good from all sides. I had a couple of these vans with the rear turn signal lights not working, and just cleaning the connections fixed it every time, absolutely every time. In case it doesn't fix it, then you might have to replace the whole taillight assembly, but I don't think that's the case. There's still a possibility that the turn signal switch is faulty, but I will cover that in another video, so please subscribe to my channel. to get all the updates on your videos. So yeah, like I said, clean all those, put back everything together, and when you're putting it back, make sure all the connections are tight, that all the connectors are secured. Maybe use even a bit of tape around the connections to make sure they don't loosen up or something like that. When you hit the pothole on the road or something, it might lose a connection and then start making problems again. In case you just wanted to replace the reverse light bulb, it's the one on the bottom. You can just turn it anti-clockwise, and here is the bulb. It's a 3157K. It's a typical standard bulb. It's like $2-3. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope this was at least a bit helpful and that you will fix your issue.